Good afternoon, children. In last video, we have seen about the complementary angles. Now we will see about the supplementary angles. So before going to that, just see in figure, this T point is on the line AB. What type of angle? ATBR. So what is its measure? So it is straight angle. Yes. So its measure, you know that straight angle it is there. Its measure is 180 degree. Yes. So that is only in supplementary angle when see just we will first see the figure here. In figure the B is the point on line AC. Yes, like that only here. B is the point on line AC and BD is a ray which divides that ray into two angles. This is one angle, this is second angle. So if it is straight angle, this totality is of 180 degree, means ABC it is of 180 degree. If it divides into one and this second angle means VD is common ray, it having two angle, that is angle ABD and DBC. Here two angles are formed due to the BD. If this ABD is, if you are seeing, that is 120 degree and DBC it is of 60 degree. If you are adding both 120 plus 60, what is it is 180. So in the figure these ABD and DBC are supplementary angles. So each angle is said to be the supplement of the other. Means two angles when they are said to be the supplementary angles if their measure sum of the measures is of 180 degree. Understood, children? What is mean by supplementary angle? Means the two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum of measure is of 180 degree, then only they are supplementary angle. So next we will see in the next figure. Here two figures they have shown. In that angle ABC is of 50 degree, angle PQR is of 130 degree. If you are adding 130 plus 50 means 0, 3, 5, 8, 1. So their measure is 180 degree. Therefore, these ABC and PQ are the supplementary angles, or angle ABC is supplement with angle PQR, or PQR is supplement, angle PQR is supplement of angle ABC. Understood, children? So today we will see the practice set 17. First question what it is? Write the measure of supplement of the angles given below. Means one angle they given, you have to find out second angle of that. For that you have to write like this. Let the measure of the supplementary angle of 15 is x. Means another angle you are taking x. You know that x plus means there you have to find out supplement means their sum is 180 degree. One angle is given already what it is 15 degree. Another angle what you are taking x. So x plus 15 is equal to 180. So 15 get cancelled and x is equal to 180 minus 15. So what then? 165. So what is the answer? It is 165. The supplement angle of 15 is 165. Understood, children? Means one is given, you have to find out other. Same only second 85. So let the measure of the supplement angle of it is y. Here what you have taken second angle y. First angle you know that 85 it is. So 85 plus y plus 85 is equal to 180. So 85 from that you have to both minus. So this get cancelled. So 180 minus 85 is equal to 95. Means 85 supplementary angle it is 95. Yes. Third one 120 given. Orally you can find out. Orally how? 120 plus 60, but you have to write the all step. So let the measure of supplementary of 120 be the n degree. So here 120 plus n is equal to 180. So you have to minus 120 from both sides, where 120 get cancel. 180 minus 120, 60 degree. So supplement of angle 120 angle is 60 degree. Next it is 37. So let the measure of the supplementary angle of 37 is x degree. Means one is x and another is 37. So what is the sum of supplementary? 180. So 37 if you are minus from both sides, here a 37 minus 37 plus x is equal to 180 minus 37. So 37 get cancelled. 180 minus 37, that is 140. So what is the supplementary angle of 37? That is 143. Understood, children? So remaining 5, 6, 7 are for the homework. Yes. So like this only you have to solve. Yes. So next we will see the question number 2. So the measures of some angles are given below here, and use them to make the pairs of complementary and supplementary angles. If you are taking complementary angles, then their sum is 90 degree, and if you are taking supplementary angles, then both angles measure sum is there 180 degree. Yes. So you have to find out the pair here given. Angle measure of angle B is equal to 60, measure of angle N is equal to 30, measure of angle 9 Y is equal to 90, measure of angle J is equal to 150, measure of angle D is equal to 750, measure of E is equal to 0. Yes, like this they given, and measure of G is equal to 120. Yes, children. So you have to find out complementary means 90 degree and supplementary means 180 degree. So sorry, here pairs of complementary angle. If you are taking these both, 60 plus 30 means angle B and N. If you are taking 90 degree, that is the pair of complementary angle. If you are taking Y plus, here Y is 90 degree, yes, and Y is 90 degree is 0 degree. Y plus E means 90 plus 0, 90. So Y and E are complementary angles. Next, supplementary angles means what you have to find out? 180 degrees. If you are taking this pair B and G's, so that is 60 plus 120, 180. So B and G are supplementary angles. Again, if you are taking N and J's, and it is of 30 and J is of 150. So 30 plus 150 it is 180. So angle N and G are also the supplementary angles. Understood? For complementary, how many measures you want? 90, and supplementary 180. Like this it is simple. So you can solve, you can finish today question number 1 and question number 2. Remaining question we will see in the next video. So thank you.